Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to do a simple thing, making a heart like this one, like the ones I've made here. This one is more clear. So let's get down into it. You just need your yarn. I'll be using this one. Start with a magic ring. This is how I do. The shorter tail should be on this side. Then wrap your yarn around your two fingers like this. Form like an X. Put your crochet through this. Grab the back yarn. Then we are going to chain 2. One, 2. There we have our magic ring. So out of this we are going to do triple crochet. Triple crochet, you wrap your yarn twice, then go into your magic ring like that. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's one. We do another one. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Pull through 2. Like that. We are doing a third one. Yarn over twice. Go through the magic ring. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's what makes a triple crochet. After that, we are going to do 3 double crochet. Double crochet, you just yarn once, then through your magic ring, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. Then pull through 2, pull through 2. Those are 2 double crochet. We'll do another one. Pull through 2, pull through 2, like that. After that, chain 1, like that. Then do 1 triple crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. This one is not complete. Okay, then pull through 2, like that. Then after that, you do another 3 double crochet. Sorry. Yarn over. That's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Hope you're able to follow. Then we'll do another triple crochets, yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's what we call a triple crochet. Then we do another 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, do another 2, yarn over twice, do another triple crochet. That is it. Then we chain 2, then we do a slip stitch on the magic ring like that. Then we are going to pull the small tail, pull, pull, pull. There we are. Then here we are going to chain 1, and we cut off the yarn. There is our heart.